Welcome to Rusty Duck Garage. Today, we're at the 2024 Barrett Jackson Auto Auction in Phoenix, Arizona, where we're going to bring you a bunch of C10 trucks. This beautiful 1967 Chevrolet C10 with the 383 small block and Holley fuel injection. It's a beautiful leather interior, sold for $126,500. And we had this 1971 Chevrolet with a 67 front end and trim on it. It had a 6.2 LS3 engine in it and beautiful leather interior in it. It sold for $187,000. This 1969 Chevrolet C10 with US mag wheels, a Corvette LS3 engine in it, and houndstooth leather interior in it, sold for an amazing, in my opinion, $209,000. And this 1972 Chevrolet C10 looked very similar to the 1969 C10 that sold for $209,000. Now this one had a 350 engine in it with AC in it and a nice looking truck, but maybe not as fancy as the other truck. And it sold for $42,900. What a difference. And here we have a 1971 Chevrolet C10 Cheyenne Super 10, equipped with a Ramjet 454 engine in it. And this truck sold for $137,500. All right, get ready and hang on tight. This 1967 Chevrolet C10 Custom with beautiful leather interior, bucket buddy seat type, and an LS3 with a Magnuson supercharger on it, and some nice wheels, sold for an amazing, astounding $330,000. I'm not sure how we get there. These other trucks, in my opinion, were very nice, but this truck brought $330,000. I really like this green and white 1969 Chevrolet C10 with a Vortex 6.0 liter LS style engine. It had houndstooth interior and air conditioning, and it sold for $106,700. Last year I owned this 1976 Chevrolet C10, and I sold it at the Portland swap meet in Portland, Oregon. This gentleman bought it from me and put a LS engine in it with an automatic transmission and air conditioning, and he brought it here to the Barrett Jackson auction. He also recovered the seat and replaced the steering wheel. Super nice truck, 50,000 actual miles on it. He sold it for $25,000. Did he make any money after all the things he did to the truck? I don't think so. This 1977 Chevrolet C10 had a documented original 160 miles. Incredible. And it showed. It just was new inside and out. And it sold for $39,600, which I thought was a bargain. This 1977 Silverado C10 short bed with beautiful red interior sold for $31,900. This 1985 GMC Sierra Classic, one owner with factory AC, power windows, power door locks, very good, nice truck, sold for $29,700. So as you can see in the video, there was a lot of really nice, great trucks there, from mild to wild, including that Suburban right here, this black Suburban, and this half-ton black 4x4, and then this 3/4 ton 4x4 that had already sold. However, I did not get a price on these. These were towards the end of the day. They're a little half-ton short wide box, another half-ton short wide box. These were all out underneath the tent. And then this Big Fish Outfitters Suburban was really cool with the Detroit Speed wheels. And this little half-ton short bed 4x4 sold for big money. And this truck was on display up in the upper part of the building there. And this is my 79 C10 that I've been working on, and some of my projects that I got going in the shop right now, such as the 69 Camaro. And I'll be working on this 67 C10 project here in the near future. We're doing a LS swap in this, and I'll be featuring this in the video. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and we'll catch you next time at Rush Duck Garage. And if you would, please hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and we'll catch you next time at Rush Duck Garage.